Welcome back to Soul Power Snacks. For today's snack animal, you will need 1 carrot stick, 1 stalk of celery, 1 chocolate chip, and 1 tablespoon of nut butter. Let's get started. To make our giraffe, we have our carrots cut up into lots of different pieces. Some are big and some are little. Giraffes have really unique bodies. They have a really long neck and a body that goes up at an angle. I'm going to dump my carrot pieces out to get them ready to arrange. It looks like I have about 10 carrot pieces or so here. If you feel like you need more carrot pieces, you can always get another carrot peeled and cut, ready to go for your giraffe. Now comes the fun part. It might take some patience. I'm going to start arranging my carrots to make the body of my giraffe. If you need to pause this video so that you can work on your giraffe body, that is just fine with me. I've got some pieces here that I want to trim up a little bit. I'm going to not get a knife. Guess what tool I get to use that's on my face to shorten up my carrot? Did you guess my teeth? Oh yes, here I go. I took a big bite of my carrot so that I could make it the shape of the head. Carrots are so delicious for you and they're really good. They have vitamin A in them, and vitamin A is really good for your teeth. I'm going to trim these up too. I nibbled on my carrot pieces and shortened them up. I've got 2 to fit right at the front legs there, and my final little piece will go up here as the ear for my giraffe. Here comes the messy part. I'm actually going to use a bowl of almond butter to make my spots for my giraffe. Now, I can use my finger, but I think I have a better idea. I'm going to take one of my carrot pieces and use that to dip into my almond butter, get a good glob on there, and start to make my giraffe's spots. Voila! My giraffe is all spotted up. Your spots might be big or little, you might have a lot, or you might have very few. And I used almond butter today. If you don't have almond butter, peanut butter or some butter works great too. My last big spot I'm going to do is my giraffe's nose. I'm going to dip it in my almond butter, let it drip off just a little bit, and place him right back where he belongs. Excellent. Finally, I get to add my eyeball. 1 cute little chocolate chip. Boop. Does my giraffe look like it's done yet? Oh, I forgot the tail. Thanks for reminding me. I'm going to use a sprig of celery and break it right off and put my sprig right here for the tail. I can also now move my celery over to look like a tree that the giraffe is eating from. But what's even cooler is that I have all this almond butter left. Guess what tastes great in almond butter? Celery. Did you have fun making a giraffe today? This one might have been a bit more challenging, but I bet you did great. If your giraffe looks different from mine, that's okay. Remember, being different is pretty awesome. Thanks for making a giraffe with us today. If you'd like to send us a picture of your giraffe, you can email us at soulpowersnacks@gmail.com. Don't forget to shine your light by eating right, and you can subscribe to us on YouTube and Instagram. Bye-bye.